Hello everyone, welcome to my channel by Science Guide. Today we will discuss the definition, steps, causes, murmurs and importance of heart sound. Heart sound in human heartbeat, the valves of heart remain closed and open passively in order to prevent the backward flow of blood into the ventricle. The closure of the valves, which is associated with an audible sound, love, dove, called heart sounds. Heart sound can be heard by using a stethoscope. Steps of heart sound. Heart sound can be described on the following steps with the help of phonocardiogram. First heart sound or low. Second heart sound or dove. Third heart sound and fourth heart sound. First heart sound or low. In ventricular systole, the pressure of the blood in the ventricle is increased. Now the AV valves like bicuspid and tricuspid are pushed off and close the valves. The tight closure of the AV valves, either bicuspid or tricuspid, at the start of ventricular contraction to produce the first sound low. The first heart sound has low pitch and its duration is 0.15 seconds. Second heart sound or dove at the end of ventricular systole and in the beginning of ventricular diastole. The pressure of the blood in the ventricles fall at this time to prevent the blood from aorta into the ventricle. The semilunar valves close together. The closure of the semilunar valves in the beginning of ventricular diastole to produce second heart sound or dove. It has high pitch, louder and sharper. The second heart sound has duration for 0.12 seconds. Heart sound. The heart sound is heard at the beginning of the ventricular diastole. There is rapid ventricular blood filling and it has a very low frequency. It cannot be picked up by stethoscope. Fourth heart sound. The fourth heart sound is produced with the auricular systole, in which the blood rushes from auricle into ventricle. It has very low frequency and a very short duration, 0.05 seconds. Causes of heart sound. S1 low. It is due to closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valves. S2 or dove. It is due to closure of semilunar valves, either aortic or pulmonary valves. S3, it is due to rapid ventricular blood filling. S4, it is due to auricular contraction. Causes of murmurs. It is due to the valves defect or structural problem. It is also by turbulent blood flow. It is also narrowing of aortic valves called aortic stenosis. It is also the backward flow of the blood through mitral valve called mitral regurgitation. Importance of heart sound, diagnosis of heart disease, monitoring of heart health, early detection, and educational value. Diagnosis of heart disease. It is an abnormal sound of heart like murmurs or extra sound that indicates the heart problems and cardiac abnormalities. Monitoring of heart health. Heart sound that indicates the proper functioning of valves and blood flowing. If you are new to Bioscience Guide, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with our latest biology videos. Early detection. The abnormal heart sound signals the conditions like heart failure, hypertension at the early stage. Educational value. Heart sound is an important for students and health workers to learn clinical skill. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and comment your thoughts below. Thank you for watching.